Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how you can add story highlights on Instagram. Maybe you want to add story highlights on your Instagram profile but you don't know how. So today, I am going to teach you on how you can add story highlights on your Instagram profile. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Instagram application. Once you open your Instagram application, you'll be directed into this Instagram homepage. And then in here, tap on this profile icon at the lower right corner of your screen. And then in here, you will see the story highlights. Keep your favorite story on your profile. Tap on this plus button and then select the story you want to highlight. For example, this one. And then in here, tap on next. In here, you can edit covers of your story highlights, and then in here, you can type in the title of your story highlights. For example, favorite quotes. After that, tap on this done button. As you can see, turn your highlights into real. Tap on this not now. And as you can see in here, you have added a story highlight on your Instagram profile. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can add story highlights on your Instagram, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can add story highlight on your Instagram, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.